Okay. Hello. Anyways, hello everyone. Today I'm starting a new series on the channel called Meowths Simple Guide to. And basically, each time I make it, I'll put one part that shows the game we're gonna be doing it on. I mean, like Minecraft, and I'll do an episode. So this is episode 1. And this simple guide is, what is it? This simple guide is to surviving in Minecraft. So when you just get Minecraft, probably gonna start in the world. Well, the first thing we'll have to do is get some wood. So as you can see, I'm in creative. And basically, you will have to chop down the tree, but the leaves are still here. So, if you're smart, you'll get rid of the leaves and get some saplings. Once you do that with your saplings, you can use your saplings to grow more trees. So let me just get rid of all this. So you'll get rid of the whole tree. If you're smart enough, then you'll end up with some wood. So the first thing you'll want to do is, of course, make a crafting table. So if I go ahead and get this crafting table, where is it? Here it is. So the first thing you'll want to do is make a crafting table. Then, after that, you're probably going to want to make tools. Now for me, what I would do is I would make a sword, pickaxe, and an axe. And once you do that, then if you're nearby a stone, I recommend getting 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So then, we're probably wondering why you should get 16. Because that's enough for a stone sword, pickaxe, and axe, and furnace. So, then once you make your furnace, you'll have your new stone tools. Then once you have your new stone tools, you're going to want to make a shelter for a night. So then what you're going to want to do in your world is get some more wood for a house. So you can see I'm chopped down a tree. This isn't creative. Now since this is spruce trees, yes, you will want to get rid of them too. There's 2. But I'm not going to do that because it's pretty big. Anyways, once you do that, you're going to want to make a house. So basically, once you got your materials, if you're just starting out, you'll probably want to try and get some sand. You can smelt that sand for glass. So where's the glass? There it is. So basically, once you have that, you're going to have to find a perfect land. So I'm not building a big one. I'm just using this one. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll be right back once I make the house. So once you build your house, if you're just starting, it's probably just going to look like this. Now, as you can see, it's starting to get dark. So, right here, there is nearby cave. See, so that's not long. There's this one. It's like a real cave. You could sort of mine here, or whatever. Oh, and by the way, if we're ever doing this on Minecraft, every episode I will link the seed in the description. Once you do that, you're gonna need to put your materials in your house. So what I would do is I would do like that. And right there, gonna make some chest. See, just there. And it's a little dark. So then what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna go in your mine. You're going to need to find some coal to light your house. So no mobs spawn in it. And you could be smart enough to do this on the door. You can be smart enough to do that. Anyways, so then, in your house, if it gets dark, you're gonna have to go out and kill some sheep. Because one, you're gonna need a bed. Now, since I'm in creative, I can just go ahead and get myself one. So, what is it? Everything. Or, if you're starting, I would recommend a white bed. Place it right there. Boom. And basically, that's your simple guide to surviving a new survival world. Now, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like and subscribe. If we hit 5 likes, then I'll make a new episode. Okay? Alrighty. Let's do this. Goodbye. Like, subscribe. Okay. Alrighty. And see you in the next one. Goodbye.